everyone. I'm Dr. Jinsa Yohanan from the Department of Prosthodontics, Karnavati School of Dentistry. So why choose prosthodontics at KSD? Let me brief you about that. As you know, prosthodontics is all about replacement of the missing teeth and associated structures. So a very good exposure of different types of cases is here at KSD, be it complete dentures, be it partial dentures, fixed partial dentures, be it the cases of implant dentistry or aesthetics, or be it even the maxillofacial prosthetics. You name it and you have it here at Prostho KSD. KSD is one place where we get the opportunity to implement our theoretical knowledge, learn it from the text, and the next day if you go to the staff saying that I wish to use this technique, we've got a very friendly staff that is ready to guide at any point. A very good exposure of what clinical dentistry would be like after post-graduation. We get a very good exposure of even that at KSD Prostho, and that is why I would like to say that without a doubt you can choose KSD Prostho because it is the best.